Hello, I'm Colin Hughes, Reeve of the RM of Canwood. The RM is the 60% major owner of the Highway 55 Waste Management, which is just up the road from Canwood, approximately 4 miles. And then we take garbage from Big River, Shellbrook RMs, Spiritwood RMs, and some is even coming from the Leask RM. At our landfill site, we do sorting of materials. We do our steel goes in some piles, and the steel is also recycled and bundled and taken away. Anything with wood or wood products is in it is piled, and we get Laura's out of Saskatoon to chip it. This will be used in our landfill as a cover, and that helps out with a lot of bulk first thing, and then there's no burning available to do any of the wood products. So
I'm Ken Larson, operations manager here. We have a recycling program here. We take it's called a single stream, so customers can put everything in one bin. We take cardboard, any kind of fiber product, paper, newspaper. We take plastics, anything that has the recycle triangle on it with a number inside it. If it doesn't have a number inside it, then it's not recyclable yet. They will be at some point. We take tires. Where there is a charge to recycle tires, and these will be at another point shipped on to Sask Tire Corporation, which will shred them and use them for various recycling projects. These are our sheds for secondary containment, where we take in used oil, which is dropped off. There's no charge for used oil. We also take the filters, the containers, and then the waste pit itself is where we take pretty much everything else goes, household waste, and also any type of construction waste that we can't separate that might be contaminated with metal or wiring, or that has to go into the landfill itself. We also have a leachate pond. Leachate is any water that has come in contact with the garbage itself. That's considered leachate. It becomes contaminated with the heavy metals and the pollution that's in the garbage, oil or paint or whatever you have. Our pit is clay lined, which means it has a compacted clay liner, so no water can travel out of the pit. And this, when the leachate gathers to a certain height, we begin pumping it into a leachate pond that holds it. We try and evaporate as much as we can, and then at some point, if our leachate pond fills up, we will have to we will test the water, and if we can, we will either truck it to a further treatment facility, such as a lagoon or a sewage lagoon, and where it will be treated a little farther, and then it'll become clean enough for it to go back into the environment.